It's okay. Yeah, drink. Let me see. It's okay. Don't drink again. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. When you later you drink, okay? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oge and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I want to show you how I clean my water filter candle. And in this package, I got in an extra candle for my water filter. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below in case you're interested. So I already have a water filter candle that came with my water filter, but this one I got an extra so that I don't have to spend hours to change my water filter, because I have to clean it up before I am able to use it again. So I just got this to have an extra so that whenever I wash my water filter, I'll have a replacement. Meanwhile, this is what my water filter looks like. This is the current candle, and it's being used. Usually water stays up to a level on both the top and the bottom buckets, and they have a tap where water comes out from. Yeah, this is what settlements we have right now. Yeah, depending on the water you have on your coming from your tap, you can wash this maybe every 2 weeks or 1 month. Really depends on your choice. And this is what I have underneath. Yeah, so this makes me not spend money buying water except outside the territory. But besides, I carry my water anywhere I go. So, but yeah, except in very situations where I cannot reach water, this water filter helps to filter away all the chlorine taste in your water. Have you noticed that when you even take pure water or table water, sometimes it tastes bitter? Yeah, that's because chlorine has been added to the already toxic water, and then you're having to consume more chemicals. Okay, let's go to washing the candle. So I have my lemons, which I'm going to peel and then squeeze out all the juice. Yeah, if I want you to pay attention to this, the impact of this lemon juice on the candle. You know, I don't know if you hear a lot about lemon juice, drinking lemon juice solution in the morning before breakfast. That's because it cleanses your body, liver, and all organs in the body. If it's able to cleanse this water filter candle, then you should be able to know how beneficial the lemon juice is good for your body. So guys, make sure you watch till the very end so you can benefit all that you need to from this video, guys. By the way, I make videos on healthy living, recipes, and budgeting, general motherhood, you know. So if you're interested in this kind of videos, you want to subscribe so that you'll be notified, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified anytime I share a new post. So here I'm just bringing out everything and washing, dismantling and washing, and then when I'm done, I'm going to be coupling everything back. My daughter is so used to this water now, she doesn't want to take any other water. Yeah, that's how dirty it looks like. And see, I can actually use my hands to scrub. When you buy a new water filter candle, please do not wash it. And yes, don't wash your water filter candles with soap, oh, please. So I'm just going to be dipping this in the solution. Meanwhile, I'm going to be washing the bucket and the nozzles and every other thing that comes with it. This nozzle, when I'm done, I'll be dipping it inside the lemon solution so that the lemon solution can get into those holes where the water passes through from the filter to your containers, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Okay, so I'm having to put the new one in water, and all I'm going to just do is leave it in there soaked for a few hours to absorb the water there, and then I'll drain it eventually. Meanwhile, I'm also dipping this here. Look at that. I also put in the nozzles. It's going to float for the time being, but as the water gets absorbed, it sinks, eventually sinks. Yeah, look at that difference. This is old versus new. Yeah. I take a lot of water. I could, before I started using my water filter, I could spend up to 20,000 naira more, maybe a bit less. Yeah, because we consume a lot of water in my house. So, but with this now, I don't even spend water or money on water anymore. I could just get some bottled water for guests, just because not everybody may feel comfortable taking water from the filter or buy the one in the dispenser. My son doesn't let our water dispenser rest, so it's just to get bottled water for our guests, or pure water as the case may be. But for this bottled water, yeah, I mean for the water filter, this is what we drink, like 247. And you notice that when you drink this water and you compare it to that of dispenser water or bottled water or pure water, the difference is clear, guys. This candle filters all the toxins, all the chemicals, all the chlorine, all the nyama nyama that is inside that comes with the water from your tap. I tried to turn it upside down, but it wouldn't go because it's still heavy. By the time it absorbs fully on one side, it can now be possible to turn it to the other side. So what I'm doing here is just draining the extra water from this new candle now, and I'm going to set up everything. Yeah, like I said, I got this extra candle so I won't have to wait for hours to allow the other one clean. It could take up to 10 hours or less or more depending on how neat you want it to be. And this is just me setting up my water filter. I got this water filter and I shared it in the video where I did my conga haul. Yeah, so guys, if you're interested, I'll be putting the link below so you can get yours for a price. Yeah, it doesn't cost you extra. I'll be sending my affiliate link. If you purchase, I'll be getting a little bit of change, but it will not affect the price, I can assure you. So if you watch this video to this level or to this extent, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. Thank you for your love and your support. I hope this video is able to help you to learn one or two things. Please let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up, sharing with your friends. Please drop your comments below if you have any questions or observations, and then feel free to, don't forget to click on bell icon so you get notified anytime I share a new post. I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe. Be sure to put this where your children will not have complete access to, so they don't tamper it. Meanwhile, the candle is still being cleaned, and this is several hours later, and I still have it here. So I'm just going to be rubbing it in, just cleaning, draining. I've finished cleaning. I'm going to be draining it, and then I'm going to put it into some more water, clean water, to rinse. If you don't rinse it, then it means that the first set of water that comes out of this candle may taste lime, may have some lime content or lemon content inside, and you don't want that. So you want to rinse this. You can rinse once or twice depending on how you want it, and then once you're done rinsing, you can couple it, and then you're good to go. So once this dries up, I'm just going to put it in once it's completely dried, I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to store it in a cool, dry place until I'm ready to use it again. And I'm going to keep repeating this process for between the old and new water filter candles. Yes guys, and that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Until I see you in another video, see you, bye bye.